Why I train? I don't train for anyone else. I don't train for ego, for attention. I don't train for pride. I don't want to train. No, I need to train. But why? The reason I train is for self-mastery, for discipline, for gratitude, for becoming a more complete man. It could be a woman. Nonetheless, is to be whole. Every single day that I train, there's a zone you get into, the zone of realization. Through the pain, which is all in your head, through the pain, you find peace. And the results are the manifestation of that realization. Every single day you do not choose to train when you're supposed to. You give in to comfort, which we know is the killer of man. Comfort kills. This mass consumerism, these distractions you have in your life that you think aren't really there, be it YouTube, Spotify, Instagram, Snapchat, even music, distracts you from what is really important. You. You are the most important person in your life. And the sooner you realize that, the sooner you would find the reason you train. The discipline one derives from training is insurmountable. It is unbreakable the more you train. You might train for 30 times in 2 weeks. You work out 3 times every single day, 2 times every single day. Or you may add a consistent training program to your life where you manifest results. Consistency trumps intensity over the long span of discipline. Training manifests discipline. And within this discipline, there's a choice to be intense and there's a choice to be consistent. And when you find the middle line is where you find why you train. I will never be able to answer that question for you. You could train because you don't want to be bullied anymore, because you want attention, because you want to be seen, because you want to be needed. But all those things are short-lived. Train because of you. You want to see yourself develop into a better man, a better woman. Train because you can, because you need to. Because everything in this world is designed to distract you from that. So train. And as usual, my brothers and my sisters, stay strong. Man, I'm looking jacked today, bro. Ooh, shit.